Hello students. So after that, fisherman can feel the wind and look at the sun to find out which way to go. Many of us would get lost and not be able to find our way on the sea, where you only see the water and nothing else. Have you seen have you seen any time anywhere sea? It's very big and you can see everywhere. If we going there, we can see only water and water, right? So fisherman can feel the wind and look at the sun to find out. The fisherman, only fisherman can feel the wind and look at the sun to find out which way to go. He can find the way with the sun direction, right? With the help of sun direction he can find the way if he around in water. Many of us would get lost and not be able to find our way if we are in water, right? If we are in boat and want to find our way, we can't find our way with the help of sun, but fisherman can feel the wind and look at the sun to find out which way to go, right? Many of us would get lost and not be able to find our way on the sea, where you see when you only see water and nothing else. Okay, look at the sun and find out the direction from where. So look at the sun and found out the direction from where it rises. Okay, from where you are, what interesting thing do you see to your east? So standing up on your terrace, okay, and see what thing in your east direction. What interesting things do you see? Make list of this and write this question's answer. Okay, name two things that are lying to your west, right? Name two things that are lying to your west. So standing up on your terrace and see in your west what things lying on your west, right? Every student's west is different from others, right? Not every student's direction east or west. This question answer every student must different from each. Okay. What a catch! Out on the sea, fishermen look for a place where they hope to find a good catch of fish. Actually, fishermen want to fishermen want to catch more fish, na? So much fish. So they find a good catch of fish. They hope they find good catch of fish. They spread their nets. Okay, they spread their nets. Have you seen in Narmada, Narmada Nadi? They spread net on there to catch fishes, right? They will have to wait for many hours for the fish to come into their nets. They will have to wait for many hours. They spread their nets to catch the fishes, and they will have to wait for many hours for the fish to come into their nets. Okay, to catch so much fishes in their nets. Look at the different types of boats. Look at the different types of, they are different types of boats, right? Some boats have motors and go further into the sea. Some boats have motor and they can go further into the sea. Since they go far out, they can catch more fish. So motor boat can they can go so much far, so they can catch more fishes than a fisherman who have wooden boat, right? These boats travel faster at the speed of about 20 km in 1 hour. How far would the motor boats go in 3.5 hours? So they are telling to us speed of about 20 kilometer in 1 hour. So in 1 hour boat can go 20 kilometer in 1 hour. 20 kilometer, right? So how far would the motor boats go in 3.5 hours? So in 3 hours boat can go 3 into 20. What we have? 360. So in 3 hours boat can go 60 kilometer, and in 1.5 hour boat can go in how 20 like 2. So in 3.5 hours boat can go total 20, 60 plus 10, 70 kilometer, right? So answer is 70 kilometer. Understand? And this is your homework, students. Do it in yourself, and I will clear it after this class. Okay? In next class I will clear this question answer, right? This is your homework. Okay, so do it. Best of luck.